In this lesson, we're going to figure out what would be the best type of graph to show something that is in a word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says, what type of graph would you use to show drink preferences of the class? 17% like Diet Cola, 25% like iced tea, 17% like root beer, 8% like cola, 25% like lemonade, and 8% like fruit punch. And the choices are stem and leaf plot, a line graph, a circle graph, or a pictograph. So a circle graphs are the best graphs to show percents, fractions, or parts of a whole. And here, this is what we have. We have a whole bunch of percentages here that we can show on a circle graph. And this is how it would look. So these are the drink preferences. So iced tea would be 25%, root beer 17%, cola is 8%, lemonade is 25%, fruit punch is 8%, diet cola is 17%. So that's basically it for this problem. And you could just watch the video again if you don't understand it, or you could look in the description. There's links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.